Shisngi hadien ba MLA jong ka Voice of the People Party uba khmat ru Iaka North Shillong Constituency uba Aldelbert Nongrum kila pynrem juri ka rai jong ka sorkar Jylla hakabaya dei ba ka jing jaka Shuh sa iway point saw acre na bynta ban pynkhriah briew kiba Them Ïewmawlong. Mynta ka sngi Symbud Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla uba Prestone Tynsong ba khmih ru Iaka tnad kampo jing ka Jylla ula kan tho ting Iaka VPP bat ong bakani ka day tang ka buit le politics kiba klemtip ubi ula ong baka jing pynkhriah lais pa sa puar tali kilong ying na Them Ïewmawlong ka day bit siya ka jaka bala pynkhriah daka Shillong Municipal Broad Shuh uba Prestone ula kan tu Iaka VPP bakam day ban le politics Iaka ni kakam bat ru ban yalam bakla ya upaj ba halor kani kamat
Tiga banga bu yang kata kejing keli syaki paj ba ya kita ki baju perta persya boros kata namar ngong tang ni kowe laraga sorkar kadang hapan compromise ban pendem kum kita yang khmat kenong songwai live as it is mlokam ban kata ye ap baka VPP kan warga bor ban ngin le la ka jong kamram namar ngi la pengit but we should do not only good thing but we should do the right thing.
Playing a politics. It's a political game only that they do. Without knowing the reality, without knowing even the actual numbers of the residents of that place. So I don't want to debate, I don't want to waste time with this kind of issues which they raise. Number two, when we say we need additional land of 1.4 or 1.5 acres, means this land will not be transferred to these people. It should be transferred, it should be handed over to Shillong Municipal Broad. Simple. It does not belong to them. This land belongs to the Shillong Municipal Broad. That's what I'm saying. Don't play politics unnecessarily. If you need clarification, come and meet me. I will explain to you everything. So you can't just mislead people. I think enough is enough. Balikin dia keren kata kulti. Ban persyang ban persutho baklay upaj ba jong. Ngong pi hangno bengi ong bengin jaka ya kita. Ngong pi ka jaka ngin jaka Shillong Municipal Broad. Barki Shillong Municipal Broad kan selek ikop dan kam kum kinong trei joka Shillong Municipal Broad. Dan rei ngong pi ngai ke statement joki. Hana bala da phimla manta IT hangi ka VP. Kaei ka bikin lek maki. Haba ki briew ki bom tip tang ubi klep tip je ka Bneng Khyndew ki persyang ban persutho baklay ki pai ba ki. I think enough is enough. Upaj ba nga try usutho ba kata. Tenga kerpat ye gini leaders but kim day ban sutho bakla but kim day ru ban mislead ye ki pai ba jong Jylla jongi. Thank you so much.
Season's greetings to all our patients. In order to celebrate the Christmas spirit, Mia Eye Clinic will be having a pre-Christmas sale on all frames with flat 40% off on 16 December 2023. Also, a free eye checkup from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. will be conducted on the same day. Join us to help you see the world better. For information and registration, call 825-700-3176.